Nelson.
And Mommy.
And I'm Bria.
We're going to be eating pizza.
So today, guys, we're doing
another collab video.
You know we had to chef. Well, we're not chefing it up. We had to bake it up one time.
Sprinkle pizza.
Yeah, Maya called it a sprinkle pizza. But today, guys, for the Happy Holiday and Party Items collaboration, we decided to make a cookie bar. Or as Maya likes to call it, a sprinkle pizza.
I would just call it a pepperoni pizza because it has
sprinkle
M&Ms.
pizza. It's a sprinkle pizza.
Yeah, so sprinkle pizza, guys. So we just want to shout out to W.T.F with the family Tabors for putting this together. So this holiday collaboration is called Joy Bells Ringing Collaboration. Also, I believe Sincere Team also helped put together this collab. So for this collab, you have to either make a cookie or an edible ornament. So we decided to go with the cookie because we just wanted to do that. Yeah, we love cookies. So we decided to use Reese's peanut butter dough because we some peanut butter lovers up in here. The other ingredients you will need are M&Ms and holiday sprinkles. So don't forget to
like, comment, subscribe to Meet the Lees and hit that notification bell and share our videos.
get started, gang. And also just be sure to check the description below because we will be tagging all of the other content creators in this collab, guys. So make sure you check out to see what they did.
And we're on the road to 2,000 subscribers and we want 1 like on this video and we're going to make an ice cream sandwich out of it.
Make sure you hit that like button, guys. You know, just because, you know, you want to support us. You want to see us make that ice cream sandwich. And because you want to support us. So let's get started. Lee gang, what's going on, family? So now that we're getting into this video, y'all already know that you gotta do what before you bake? Preheat that oven. So make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. As I let y'all know in the last Happy collab, I'm not a baker, guys. We've been through this. So I'm not coming to whip up nothing from scratch, but I got this. So this is some Reese's. My family loves peanut butter. And then I just bought another little extra one. Got some holiday sprinkles. It got some Christmas trees and some red, white, and green sprinkles. I had ordered the holiday M&Ms. Again, it is peanut butter. I ordered the holiday ones mixed up with the regular ones, so I'm gonna just pick out the red and green for you guys. So yeah, so let's get into it. So what I'm gonna be doing today, guys, is I'm going to be making a holiday Christmas cookie bar. Instead of just balling up the cookies, I'm gonna make it more in a brownie like style. But it's not gonna come out like brownies, but that's how you cut it. So let's get into it. Let's get into it. So let's open this up like so. Like so. Let's open it up like so. Okay. So when you open it up, it looks like this. Safe to eat raw. So you can eat these actually uncooked for those who like cookie dough, like me. Baking sheets. So that is what I will be using. So I'm going to take my dough like this, and I'm just going to mush it up and flatten it out throughout the pan. Alright guys, so this is the cookie so far. So I just flattened out the dough onto the baking sheet. Now it's time to get my M&Ms out. So far, guys, this is how it's looking. I still got my sprinkles. Gonna add some more M&Ms for them. I can't wait to see what everybody's making in this collab because, Lee Gang, when I tell you that the HAPI collab content creators be coming through and stepping up, what? I'll be watching it like, yo, nah, that looks good. I need some of that. I need parts, like. But yeah, everybody did so well. This is the 4th HAPI collab, but this is the 3rd we're partaking in. The first one was for Thanksgiving. We did the HAPI collab. We made lasagna and strawberry pina colada. So if you haven't seen it, check that out. Also, the second one we weren't able to be in, but it's called We Got the Sides, and everybody was coming through with their side dishes that they make for the holidays. The last one was a bake-off, and this one is the cookie. So I'm excited to see everybody's stuff. I know it's going to be so good. I know it's going to be good. And I really want to see what edible ornaments people put together. Like, I've seen some stuff to do the edible ornaments, but I really wanted to make these cookies because they just look so fun and festive. So that's why I went this way. But of course the ornaments look festive too, but I'm just saying, I wanted to do this one and see how it came out and see if it came out good and see if I could make it again for them. But it's time for the sprinkles, guys. Alright, nice little vibe. The thing about sprinkles, you can save them, so I can use this for other things or for another holiday. I just gotta press down my sprinkles into the tray. I feel like I put enough. I feel like this is a good amount. Right? So this is how it's looking so far. Alright, Lee Gang, so I waited 10 minutes. I checked on them. I personally don't like to leave my cookies in for a long time because then they get hard, so I like to take them out a little ooey gooey looking, and then when they cool down it's just right. So fam, this is how it's looking. So guys,
whoa,
looky. Gotta wait for Dada.
You like Dada?
You gotta wait for Daddy.
Okay. Let me eat it. I wish I could just take a look.
Just look at it, guys. Look at, ooh. I'm gonna drop it off the plate, being fancy.
Oh.
Alright guys, so we're back. And now that you've seen how to make the, what you want to call it? What we calling it? The sprinkle pizza?
The sprinkle pizza?
The sprinkle pizza?
Mango sprinkle pizza.
Yes. It's time to try it out, guys.
Sprinkle pizza. Another sprinkle cake.
It's called a sprinkle
Sprinkle cake. Not shaped like this. Sprinkle cake. Oh yeah, pizza is shaped like that.
Okay, so you guys ready to try it out?
Yes.
Yeah, so who's trying it first?
Me.
Mama.
Oh, my youngest first. Okay, let's take a piece. What do you want? You want an M&M?
No, I'll go on.
You want the red M&M? You gotta be picky with it.
You asked. Open that door.
Open your hand. Okay. I want you to have the whole thing in her mouth. Yeah.
I want that one. The red one.
You can take it, boo boo. Got it? You can take some cookie too. Like y'all just taking the M&Ms, take a piece of cookie. I can't eat the M&Ms. I got chocolate and the peanut butter M&Ms. So I thought it didn't, but it does. I've read it. Let me take it out. M&Ms, take that off.
Icy gooey in the middle.
We like it gooey, guys. We don't like a hard cookie.
Nah, we like our teeth.
This is good.
Maybe not naughty. She don't like
Give me.
It's Christmas, right?
Give me how.
This is good.
It's good too. Good.
Guys, let us know down in the comments, how do you think this cookie came out? Let us know. I rated it 10.
Are you done? No.
Yeah, it's a 10.
I'll put it.
You want to hold it? Mine wants to
5.
hold it, so you already know. Let us know if you would try this recipe out. I mean, like I said, we didn't do it from scratch, but it's still beautiful. And thank you again. Shout out to the HAPI collab, holiday and party items. Shout out to all the content creators involved. Lee gang. Make sure to
Like, comment, subscribe.
So you don't miss out on any of our videos.
videos. Peace. Happy holidays.